What's up guys, my name is Drop. Welcome back to another video. If you could like and subscribe before we get into this, that'd mean a lot. And today we're gonna be talking about advice for new dog owners. So let's get right into it. One piece of advice is to be patient with your dog. He's gonna poop, he's gonna pee on your floor, he's gonna poop and pee on your floor, he's gonna chew up your pillows, your shoes, your socks. He's gonna chew up everything, destroy some things. Just be patient with him. He's a puppy and they'll get better over time. Trust me, they'll get better over time. Number two is to let them sleep in your bed. So they're gonna end up there anyway in the future. So you might as well just let them sleep there now. And I know a lot of people just want to keep their dogs out of their bed, but they're gonna end up there anyway, and they're just gonna make a lot of noise if you don't let them in your bed. Just let them in your bed, they'll just cuddle you, sleep on the end of the bed, do something. Number three is to buy a big family box of original Cheerios as treats. It's gonna save a lot of money for treats, and usually you're buying like a bag of treats with like maybe like 20 treats for like $3-5. You can get a whole thing of like thousands of treats for like $3. Definitely recommend to do that. Another tip is to get high quality toys. You don't know how many toys we bought and he's destroyed. So I recommend you get just like higher quality toys. Just have to buy them once in the last years. And I highly recommend you just spend a little extra money and get a better quality toy. Number five is to get potty pads. So like I said, they're gonna have accidents, but if you know places where they like to have accidents or they're gonna have accidents often, just go put a potty pad in the area. Or even if you let them sleep in your bed and you're worried they're gonna go poop on your floor, put a potty pad there and just hope they use that as a bathroom. The next tip is to get a custom collar with your name and number on it, just in case your puppy ever gets away. Just cross your fingers and hope a good person finds them and that they'll return your dog. Another tip is to learn what your dog is allergic to. So there's like some crazy things that dogs are allergic to, like gum. I did not know that. They're allergic to gum and like all kinds of chocolate and like blueberries and stuff. So definitely just do your research before you get your dog, or if you already have them, just go look up things dogs are allergic to, just so you know you don't give them that, because that'll make a whole giant mess in your house. And I hope this helped you new dog owners out. If it did, please like and subscribe. It means a lot, and try to make this like a quick video just to get all the information out in a short period of time. But please like and subscribe, it means a lot. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.